Robot workers are already here, and they just took over an entire factory. Hey everyone, welcome to Learn Something Everyday channel where we talk, learn, and discover new things every single week. If you're curious about everything and wanting to have a little bit of information about everything, well, you are in the right channel because here we've got something for everyone. So stick around until the end because I bet you don't want to miss every single detail of our topic for today. Let's get back to our topic. Is it really robot workers are already here? And they just took over an entire factory? Let me tell you a true story that sounds fake, but isn't. In China, there exists a factory that runs with 0 workers inside. No managers, no supervisors, no engineers, no cleaners. The lights are off because there are no humans inside who need them. This is the world's first fully automated factory, and it's producing goods faster, cheaper, and more consistently than any human workforce ever could. This is not the future. This is happening right now. Chapter 1: How did we get here? Automation didn't just appear overnight. It has been creeping into industries for decades. ATMs replaced bank tellers. Self-checkout replaced cashiers. Online forms replaced office clerks. Chatbots replaced customer service. Industrial robots replaced factory workers. But what's happening now is different. Robots today aren't just simple machines. They're intelligent systems, guided by AI, capable of learning, adjusting, and improving without human help. We're no longer replacing workers. We're replacing entire workforces. Chapter 2: Real examples of robot takeovers. Number 1, Tesla's gigafactories. Robotic arms assemble cars at speeds humans can't. Number 2, Amazon's warehouses. Thousands of orange robots organize inventory with no breaks. Number 3, robot restaurants in Japan. Sushi made by machines. Ramen cooked by automation. Food served without waiters. Number 4, self-driving taxis in California. Anti-taxi fleets run autonomously. 5, the lights-out factories in China. Factories operate 24/7, no employees needed. Chapter 3: How this affects society. Robots replacing humans isn't just about efficiency. It creates major ripple effect. Job loss, skill gaps, economic inequality, displacement of older workers, psychological stress, changes in family income, pressure on education systems. This isn't only a technological shift, it's a societal transformation. Now let's go to chapter 4, but before we do that, if you haven't hit the subscribe and the like button, please do so as it will help our channel grow and continue doing informative videos like this. And also try to click the bell button as well for you to get notified whenever I posted a new video. Alright, let's continue the video. Chapter 4: The moral question. Just because we can replace humans with robots, does it mean we should? We have entered a new era where humanity must ask itself, what is the purpose of work? What does it mean to be useful? Is a world without human labor a blessing or a curse? These questions will define the next generation. Chapter 5: Life lessons and wisdom for today's workers. Number 1, use technology, don't compete with it. A human competing with a robot is a losing game. A human using a robot becomes unstoppable. Number 2, learn high value skills. The world no longer pays for effort. It pays for creativity, leadership, problem solving, emotional intelligence, innovation. 3, don't fear being replaced. Fear being unprepared. The only people who lose in automation are those who fail to adapt. 4th, reinvent yourself before you are forced to. Change voluntarily, not desperately. Our final thoughts: robots taking over factories is not the end of human relevance, but it is the end of certain types of work. The future belongs to those who evolve. Alright, if you had fun listening to this video, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the like button as well as the bell button for you to get notified whenever I posted a new video. And also share the good vibes, and don't forget to drop a comment. What are your thoughts about this topic? And what are your biggest takeaways from tuning in to this channel? And lastly, what do you want to talk about next? Thank you and see you in our next video. Bye-bye.